Casey, welcome to People in Legal.
Thank you.
How's the conference been?
It's been wonderful, actually. We've had a really good turnout with conversations.
Brilliant.
We were here a few years ago, but that was just when we were first launching. But now that we have our first New Zealand client live, much more meaningful conversations as well.
So we've known each other quite a while, but do you want to introduce yourself to our audience?
Sure. I'm Casey Burns. I'm one of the directors of MatterX.
Excellent. And tell us about MatterX.
So MatterX is a practice management solution and CRM built in Microsoft Dynamics. So we've chosen some really robust Microsoft products that we have then done some apps on top of for the legal nuances.
Okay, and why is a firm looking at using Microsoft as both like a Microsoft type product?
They already know and use Microsoft today. They use Teams, they use Outlook, they use Word, Excel. So naturally, they're going to know where to go, especially from the lawyer's perspective.
So leveraging the existing technology they've already put in investment, that sort of stuff.
Correct.
And is it very configurable? Is it like out of the box? How configurable is it?
Very configurable. So in terms of that, we do have, it's very simple to do for our finance system. We work with the client. It's a spreadsheet, very quick and easy, that they can do that. In terms of our CRM, so Legal Connect, again, very configurable because it's all built on the Microsoft platform. We're able to harness and leverage everywhere.
And what kind of size firms actually do you think would be applicable for?
Anywhere from our 10 users, probably up to about 350 or even 500. We've had discussions with.
And do you get pushback in terms of actually, like, I guess, this is Microsoft is really more of a general solution than specific, like, one of the other CRM players or practice management players and things?
Not too much. I think it's coming now down to education and really understanding how they can harness that platform. And, with the words AI being thrown out everywhere, we're leveraging that natively in the Microsoft stack that we have today.
Fantastic. Excellent. And what sort of how many clients have you got? How many clients have you got?
We've got 4 in Australia and our first one in NZ.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I love your story. You've got a great story. You guys have worked so hard to actually build your business out there. And I mean, it's a great model. I mean, taking existing platform that's well known and loved and actually building the workflows and the apps on top of it.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. And I think we chose that on purpose. So choosing something that's already a trusted brand, already a trusted application itself. So for both applications, the CRM and finance, it's already on well-established Dynamics platforms.
Yeah. Why do I guess law firms look at CRM systems these days? I mean, you hear this thing of people going in and out and they say, don't need a CRM system. But now there's two schools of thoughts. That's
right. I think it's been very disconnected for a long time. It's been BD teams managing that.
Yeah.
So now it's sort of going out that the firm wants their business to grow the business.
Yep.
And so with that, we don't just do the CRM part of it. So once we capture that opportunity, it does turn into a matter. So from the lawyer's perspective, they're only working on one interface.
Yep.
So they've got everything there. Again, they don't need to get out of it to do an email, an appointment. It is all infused in the Microsoft stack. So that's sort of where I'm seeing it move to.
The nice thing about you, Casey, is actually you come from a technology advisory background. So you actually come from that background of advising people with technology. So really you understand that the technology issues and the business issues they've actually got and what law firms do and how they operate and how they work and things like that. So basically, and it's a nice approach to have.
Absolutely. And that's my 20 plus years in legal, starting in accounting and implementing all of these wonderful softwares that are out there now, having a look and also our own business journey. So when David and I sort of start up the business, we were using all these disparate systems. And then we started to then do more and more Microsoft. And then that's sort of where we're looking at these efficiencies. Now, what can we do as a really lean team to get more efficiencies in there, more sales out the door, obviously. Same thing with the law firm. We want to get more revenue in the door. And so that's when MatterX was born. So we're able to see all the efficiencies within Microsoft.
Awesome. And what kind of efficiencies are you seeing from firms you put this into? So tell me some client stories.
Automation. Security and compliance is a huge one. So we have actually a case study on a website from our Brisbane client that he had an audit come up. Now, the auditors didn't even have to go into the system. They saw it as Microsoft, so we got the tick.
Wow.
So especially around security and compliance in that, and it's being in Azure, in their tenant, it's Microsoft, it has all the certifications, it's enterprise ready.
Awesome. And what are you hearing in the conference here? Like what's everyone talking about?
AI.
Yeah. Common topic. AI, AML, so all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Awesome. Very, very good. Okay, well, look, Casey, thank you very much for your time today. Really appreciate it. Best of luck with the business.
Thank you so much.
Awesome.
Cheers.